This single-hole tornado flushing toilet utilizes an advanced flushing technology that generates a powerful stream of water from a single outlet, create a continuous whirlpool that thoroughly cleans the toilet bowl, effectively removing dirt. This design does not have strong flushing power but also provides an excellent cleaning result while maintaining a quiet flushing environment. It is suitable for hotels, homes, office buildings, and other places, especially for the environment, for the high requirements for the hygiene and cleanliness.
Follow Annika for more sourcing tips.